Hi, it's Anna from Prodio. Today I'd like to tell you more about setting up Prodio and special features you can use in injection molding industry, as we are in one of the production halls. So there are some special challenges you have to tackle when you work in injection molding industry. How should you use Prodio in that branch? First of all, the best thing used is to organize your product database. What it means? So you collect all knowledge about your products in one system, in one place. Why is it important? Well, first of all, you make your workers, you make less mistake, and it costs you less money, so you can save more and make more. What kind of things you can add? For example, changeover times, or for instance, when you change the mold in your machines, or cost of labor, so you know exactly how much it costs you to make one product and how much of that cost is labor. What is then, it's important to say, a product in Prodio, in your industry? Well, the best is to write down as a product all details you make. So all the products, all the elements your company produces. To them, very important is to use visuals and all the visuals in the technology. What is it? So we have here all the photos of your products, all the drawings, attachments, other technical drawings, all visuals you can imagine. Why is it important? Well, it's super important because you can avoid making more faulty products. So the workers see the photos, see the possible mistakes, especially if you also in your database have photos of faulty products. They can compare the elements they have to make with the perfect element and with the faulty ones. Another important feature you can use in your industry is the feature of adding additional fields. What are additional fields? Well, you can first, anything you need you can add as additional field, and you can add as many as you want. For instance, mold number, the temperature used in the exact process. So anything your workers might need to help them to make less mistake and to make whole process more efficient. Another feature is what you should include is the technology of your products. So technology of your products are all machines you use or the operations step by step, all that you have all technology steps in your process and in making your product. Okay, after that, let's talk a little bit about the production schedule. So from the perspective of setting up a production schedule, it's important that you add their machines and operations, but for instance, you can put them in exactly the same order as they are on your shop floor. So exactly the same order of machines, of operations, so it's logical and most importantly, very easy and transparent for the workers what to do. When we're talking about the production schedule and the planning, very important feature and key is visualization. So at exact moment when the worker looks at the production schedule, they can see on the tabs photos, so they know exactly what they have to do. They don't come to ask you, hey, sorry boss, what's next step? What are you supposed to do now? They see it and they see visually, like let's say, which is much more, the picture speaks more, they can see exactly what they have to do. From the planning perspective, as we are talking about scheduling, it's important that you can include in such an information like changing of mold and how long it takes. We were talking about it a little bit earlier, so like a changeover time, but it helps you to follow and track all the costs, because the little seconds, the few minutes here, few seconds there, used for changeover add up to the cost, and these costs, are kind of a hidden cost, so better know it. And in your industry, great practice, and we really recommend to do, is printing manufacturing orders. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Here we have printed manufacturing order with a barcode. Once you click to scan the barcode, you get all the information about the product you have to make. So we have a product name, we have the quantity, we have external order number, you can see also some comments, notes, all the technology, so which steps the product has to go through. All information is right there in front of you. It facilitates your work and speeds up the whole process. Okay, so I told you why is it so important to print manufacturing orders. Like, what you can do with it now? Well, first of all, you can put it here on the machine, so when the workers come to the machine, they know exactly what's happening right now there, what do they have to produce. So it's another reminder to avoid mistake and speed up work. Very often, in many companies, workers use like a pigeonholes on top of drawers, so they are slotted right there, and we see exactly which products are made, which are planned, what's going to happen next. Great practice one of our clients used is to print these manufacturing orders on different color cards. As you can see, here is the blue one. Why they use it? It's just like it's great, it's ingenious idea, because they use different colors to indicate the type of granulate you have to use to make the exact precise product. So this color coding helps workers again to indicate their next step on that exact products and which products is being made right now. So wow, yeah, we are really impressed, and the guys at on the shop floor love it. Another good practice is the option that you can add tags. For example, if you produce the same product in different colors, you can separate them by adding tags. And a good thing is, for instance, your products are in gray, the tags used can also be in gray. So it's kind of like simultaneous. It also enables you to make things easier. Okay, so now you know most tips and tricks for your industry. It's worth mentioning one more, that in Prodio you can assign workers to particular tasks. But in your industry, important thing is that you can put a log on it, how many people, that only one person works on one particular task. So it's super important that you can use it. Right, if you have any more questions, let us know. You can either call, send an email, or contact us on chat, and we'll be super happy to help you set up your account in Prodio for your industry. Thank you.